everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this viral ghost painting. So firstly, I'm going to use an old canvas I've got and we're just going to paint the background all black. When you finish painting your canvas black, we're just going to put it to the side and leave it to dry. Once the black paint is dry, it's time to go ahead and start creating our ghosts. And we're going to do this by using modelling paste and a piece of cardboard with a rounded edge, as you can see me using here. You want to use a really good amount of modelling paste on your piece of cardboard. And with the curved side at the top, push down on your canvas and drag downwards. Now you want to repeat the process until you've covered the bottom half of your canvas in these shapes, which are going to be our ghosts. The more modelling paste that you put onto your cardboard, the bigger and wider the ghost will be. And if you want, you can also cut out a couple more different sizes of the cardboard so you have different size ghosts. Now I'm also going to use a rounded palette knife on my piece, which will give me some longer, skinnier ghosts. Now I've applied all of my ghosts, I'm just going to go in with my rounded palette knife and just neaten everything up and fill in some gaps. Now that my ghosts are all finished, I'm just going to water down some white acrylic paint. And I'm going to use a paintbrush and this paint to flick onto the background to create a starry night. Now all of that's finished, I'm going to go ahead and put some googly eyes onto my ghosts. I have 3 different sizes of googly eyes, but if you don't have googly eyes, you can just use black paint and paint them on instead. You'll have to excuse the super shaky hands and also the little googly eyes that like to fly away. And there you have it, our ghostly masterpiece is finished.